Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about TIANLI INT HLDG Annual Report. TIANLI International Holdings Limited offers a range of services including education management and diversified services in China. Specifically, the company provides education management diversified services. Unfortunately, I don't have access to the extracted summary. However, based on the provided information, here is a possible overview essay. The stock price of TIANLI INT HLDG has significantly dropped in the past year due to unforeseen circumstances. Unfortunately, the underlying reasons for this decline are not immediately clear from the available data. The mention of an unexpected error occurred. When trying to access the Gemini financial summary suggests that there may be technical issues or limitations in accessing relevant information. However, without further details, it is difficult to pinpoint specific causes for the stock price drop. It is possible that various factors such as market trends, company performance, regulatory changes, or external events have contributed to this decline. Further investigation and analysis would be necessary to identify the root causes of this significant decrease in stock value. The primary drivers of revenue growth for a company are primarily attributed to its comprehensive educational services, sales of products, and logistical services. These sectors have seen significant increases in revenue, with comprehensive educational services growing by 7.4% and product sales rising by 8.2%. Additionally, the company's enhanced supply chain channel layout has also contributed to revenue growth. On the other hand, the primary drivers of revenue decline are management and franchise fees, which have decreased by a staggering 94.5%, and rental income recognized by the group, which has also seen a decrease. These factors have had a significant impact on the company's overall revenue, outweighing the positive contributions from its growing sectors. The company's financial performance indicates a positive trend in its operating cash flow. According to the financial summary, the company has successfully generated positive operating cash flow, as stated on page 13 of the report. This achievement suggests that the company's operations are generating sufficient funds to cover its expenses and investments, positioning it for long-term growth and stability. The company's debt level and interest expenses have undergone significant changes. Notably, the net current liabilities decreased by RMB 312.2 million, indicating a reduction in short-term debts. However, contract liabilities increased slightly, suggesting that the company has taken on more long-term obligations. Interest expenses also saw a substantial increase of 44.7% from RMB 86,390 to RMB 124,822, primarily due to rising interest rates or higher borrowing costs. This significant jump in interest expenses is likely to have a material impact on the company's bottom line. Management is optimistic about the company's future, outlining several key strategies to drive growth. The primary focus areas include deepening the construction of a school quality system, enhancing operational efficiency through digital upgrades and process improvements, establishing AI as a core strategic direction for future development, expanding AI-driven education business through internal and external models. Additionally, management aims to adapt to changing market conditions, identify new investment opportunities, and gradually restructure the business into integrated services for people development. These initiatives demonstrate a commitment to innovation, efficiency, and long-term growth. The company has a history of paying dividends and buying back shares. In terms of dividend payments, the total per share was 9.68 cents in 2025 and 8.25 cents in 2024. The proposed final dividend for 2025 was higher than that of 2024, with total dividend payments increasing from RMB 174,231 to RMB 203,638. In addition to paying dividends, the company has also engaged in share buybacks. Specifically, it repurchased 13,227,000 shares, but these have not yet been canceled. This indicates a commitment to returning value to shareholders through both dividend payments and strategic share purchases. That concludes the financial summary for TIANLI INT HLDG. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.